And now, we present to you the starting five for the both teams. First, will be DEC Corporation. Wearing jersey number 26, Mr. Joel Habar. Jersey number 19, Mr. Litnet Boy. Jersey number 12, Engineer Zarvi Lana. Jersey number 4, Mr. Jerry Gabor. And wearing jersey number 16 is Mr. Ronald Gonzalez. And their opponent, the teammate, the first time, wearing jersey number 15 again, Mr. Marvin Palma. Jersey number 16, Mr. Vito Miranda. Jersey number 6, Mr. Guillermo Alvarez. Jersey number 22, Mr. Jose Cano Bigsak. And wearing jersey number 13, our incoming governor, Mayor Bag Tupas the third. So your host for tonight is Balis Luhani Raganasunat. That will be is Mr. Jujun Gonzalez, our official, and the vlogger, Gio the vlogger. Let the game begins. Again, our referees for tonight, Mr. Barreto, Mr. Fernandez, and Mr. Barreto. Oh, it's a miscommunication. Oh yeah, tanong na Dusi again, this is our 50 category. Team Engineer Zaldi versus Team Bag. Oh, okay. Which is, ang tayo natin is, their name is DEC Corporation. Mayor Bag? Wala. Uy, ang super tangka ng mga taga-Manila. Uy, 50 years there are 5'7" to 5'11" or 6'11". Ang super tangka nila. Lana. To the west, 10th ship. There is a foul. By number 16, Mr. Hirata.
Brian, pagkatapos karoon video na kami ka-interview with Mike. Oo, gani. Sino nga dyan?
This is those for number 16, Mr. Gonzalez. Yes, sir. Score is 1-0. That was Mr. Ronald Gonzalez, wearing jersey number 69, placing the jersey number 1, together with Mr. Vito Miranda, number 61. Miranda, oy, there is foul! By number 16, Mr. Gonzalez. First foul. Rear back to Alvarez. And shoot. Big shot. Wala! Super close in region number 16. That was Gonzalez. Super tangka niya. Number 12, Engineer Plada. Wala! First time Engineer, getting first Engineer. Bar. Game pass kay Kudoy. Wala! Ooh. So medyo tagalogin ka pala, medyo tagalogin ka kasi taga Manila. 7 to shoot po, 7 to shoot. Ay, first time ka naman tagalog, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shot clock violation.
Tagalogin mo kasi?
Yes, magtatagalog po tayo tonight. I will try my best. I did my best. Okay, back to logging. 10 minutes and 30 spot. Remaining time. Palma, one of the veterans of Team Bag. Pass to Alvarez. From Magagawan. Mayor Bag, titira po ng 3. Wala. Rebound for Team DEC Corporation. Into your Plada on the move. Pass to number 6, Gonzalez. 16 Gonzalez. Rebound by Mr. Guidada. Big shot. Taga saan si Mr. Big shot? Marota Nueva with 2 points. Wow. Unang puntos from service there. Ano? Big shot. Score is 2-1. Avanza again. This is a game between Viejo versus Manila. And Kudoy. Wala. Rebound by former Kagawan Alvarez. Barangay San Felipe. Uy, nabasa na Mr. Gonzalez. Uy, what a steal for Team Manila. Habar! Merong habar na naglilala ng diba sa TV. Pero parang sa Sunday yun. Habar. Oh, habar. Save. Beerbag. Let's touch by Team P Music Corporation. That was the enter plan. Shot clock is 12. Beerbag to Palma. 10. Oh, what happened there? That's a stronger play. Oh, 3. Nakuha pa rin Beerbag. Ako yung kaming problema to Palma. Yes, sir. Easy 2 points from Orville Palma. Si Mr. Orville Palma para si Steven Seagal yung looks yun, no? Yeah. That was it! Ano ka ref? May foul na nakita si ref. Break jersey number 16. Mr. Hirada. Mr. Vito Hirada, foul 2 na po kayo. Foul 2. Ang gandang play ito. Challenge ko sa Team Bay kasi Cap Finance ang super tangkadong makakalaban nila tonight. Tingnan mo. Super tangkadong. That was 2 points for Team PLC Corporation. Score 4-3. That 20 for Team Bay. Rebound for Team PLC. Be careful. Beerbag. Nice steal for Engineer Plana. Ang gandang steal yun. Gado. Jumper. Rebound by Gonzalez. Nice one. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 12.
Let's go.
Alvarez, Palma. Hirada. Alvarez. Beerbag. Nabasa na yun. Sino yun? Gonzalez eh. Super tangkad niya. Winawanhan na po. Plana. Engineer Plana. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Orville Palma. Oh! Nakuha po ni Mr. Godoy. Godoy! Turn around! Wow! Mr. Godoy. With 2 points, Mr. Net Godoy. Big shot. There is a foul by number 26 Habar. First foul. Substitution for Team Bag. It was number 42, Mr. Vinny Casquero. Mr. Alvin Balasa, for jersey number 81E. Mr. Balbilhor. Bagong pasok, Eliasar Balbilhor. Balasa. Paso Balbilhor. Casquero, pitira. May natinang follow there. Number 4. That was Gado. First foul. 2 free throws for number 42, Mr. Vinny Casquero. First free throw now. Second. For tomorrow, Team Mega Volleyball Team will go to Team Bayan. 1 p.m. po tayo, Bayan Gymnasium po, Volleyball Team. Oh, that was 2 points by number 4, Gado. Gado checking with 2 points. Oh, that was a steal again. Engineer Plana. Wala pa! Uy, nakuha na yung number 81 Kagawan Mauricio kung may titira ng press. Wow! 3 points for Mayor Bag to visitor our incoming goal number. Score 7-all. Oy, manis pa, Adrian Plana. Nakuha sa Team PEFC Corporation. Plana. Catch. Kunoy, pinasa sa gitna. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a good ball, but service by our officials. Thank you. Gadong for 2. Wey, wala pa, iniluwa pa. Isa ito naman, iniluwa. Okay, iniluwa. Oh.
Say mo, lulukin mo out?
Yes. Feel ko lulukin ko. 5 minutes and 58. Ang hirap talaga ng Tagalog kalagawan ni Mr. Fernandez. First up ko naman. Well, that was number 16. Substitution. Mr. Gonzalez yun. Foul 2. Foul 2 ka po. 2 free throws for number 42, Mr. Cascaro. First free throw now. Second. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty for Team PEC Corporation. 1 point for Mr. Cascaro. Engineer Plana, the pride of Manata, away! What's happened there is miscommunication. 5 minutes and 48. Mayor Man for 3. Not this time. Oy! Nakuha yun ni Mr. Valdebar in his arm. Number 42, Cascada. Wala pa! What happened there? Sayang yun, pre. Bison. Pinasa. Jumper. Wala. Gado. Oy! Nakuha ni Mayor Man si Chester. Mayor Man si Chester. For Philippine Libre. Short. Mauricio Riefer. Score 7 in favor of Team Ang gandang play po tayo ngayon, ha? Team Biel versus Team Manila. Oh? That's number 1, Engineer Plana. Prepare it. 14 perimeter. There is a foul by number 18, 19. That was Kudoy. Netman for the first foul. Penalty. To be first for Kagawan Mauricio. Way! First with the Candles. Second. Yes, sir. It was our 42 Mauricio. We're back. Ooh, what happened there? 4 minutes and 34. What happened for Team Bag? Anong depensa? Time to shoot. Putin PZ, atake. Engineer Plana. Wala. Mayor Man. Yes, sir. Mayor Man. With 3 points.
Reserve, reserve, reserve.
Yes, sir. 2 points, 3 points. That was 2 points. Mirror for 3. Boy! Wala pa!
Good.
Ooh, it's a good ball. Wala pa! Kamar. Number 12, Angela Plano. Mauricio. Kawan Mauricio ko Martin Lepar. Maybay. Atake. Wala. Nice try, boss. Nice try. Maybay. To Cascado. Action. 5, 4, 3, 2. There is a ball by number 17. Substitution. First foul. Ooh, a 3 seconds violation.
Bola.
Cascado, reduces the 4 pool. To your man, Cascado. To your man. Your man can eat out of this. So fue que tengo que ir. Para la función de su vida. Me verga que la está. Next time. Top bumper. Short. Angela Plano with 2 points. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Mirabel. Is 18-11 in favor of Team Black. 8 Mirabel for 3. Rebound for number 91. That was Mr. Dizon. Ay, super tangkal Mr. Dizon, no? Parang mga 6'1 yung height nito. Super tangkal. Pérez for 2. Ooh, there's a foul by number 14. Substitution. Kagawa Mauricio. First foul.
Tara na ng Jire. Ha?
Substitution.
Daw gamay ang wakal to Bray kung Tagalog. Daw gamay ang wakal to kung Tagalog.
Mag-i-English na ako. That was 1 point. Chords.
English na lang.
Kevin Pula, throwing the ball. Oh yeah, I'm going to speak in English. Kasi yung magtatagalog mo para Mayorman for 3. That was short. Number 41, Plumelio on the go. Great job, Plumelio with 2 points. 1 minute left. 18-15, 3.8 for Team Black. Cascado. Move to goal to Mayorman. Cop Bottoming. Pass Mayorman, and shoot. Mayorman to Bounder. Joker.
Whoa! Woo!
With 2 speak English kasi magtatagalog ako parang syunga-syunga ako parang. Okay, slow. 11 to shoot, 20 seconds po. Ready? 20 seconds. Yes, 20 seconds left. Ventura pass to number 42, that was Casquero. 15 seconds left. Zerno, Tanaki join to number 10 to Mirabal.